Got the E-Guard sprayed, manifold, return bends, coil, all that down there. What I'm going to do now is switch over to primer, and anything bare metal is going to get spot primed. Here we go. Now we're going to spray all this with the green. Everything's masked up, ready to go. Alright, things got pretty busy yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to show the finished results. Got the fan bracket done inside and out. Primed with epoxy sealer. And this top coat, single stage type paint, PSX 700. For you car guys, it's just a single stage gloss and color all in one. Same thing with these. Inside and out has been coated to the best of my ability. Same goes for both of them. That